Today I'll be telling you guys how you guys can create an Instagram page. So most people get confused. So how Facebook work is, in Facebook you need to create an account, and from inside that account you can create multiple pages. Well, Instagram doesn't work like that. Whichever account or whichever Instagram account you're currently using is going to be your Instagram page. So over here, this is my Instagram page called Witchy Kevin. So let's say I wanted to create a new Instagram page for like my clothing brand. In that case, I need to create a new Instagram account. That is the only way how it works. Your Instagram account is your Instagram page. And to create a new Instagram account, it's pretty simple. You can just click on the arrow right beside your profile name. So my Witchy6777, right beside it is there's an arrow pointing down. I need to click on it. I need to click on add Instagram account and choose create new Instagram. And if you're opening Instagram for the first time, it's directly going to bring you to this page. From over here, you can create a username, password, and create yourself a new Instagram account. That is basically how you guys can create an Instagram page. It is basically creating new Instagram account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.